What if I told you the money in your bank was never really there? Banks don't just store money. They create it, legally, out of thin air. And once you understand this system, you'll never look at money the same way again. Intro: Why this matters. Most people think banks simply hold your money safely. You deposit cash, they keep it. End of story. But that's not how the system actually works. In reality, banks use your money as a tool to create more money, while you earn almost nothing in return. This system is called fractional reserve banking, and today I'll break it down in the simplest way possible. How fractional reserve banking works. Simple example. Let's say you deposit $1,000 into a bank. You think the bank now has your $1,000, right? Wrong. The bank is only required to keep a fraction of that money, let's say 10%. That means they keep $100, they loan out $900. Now here's where the magic happens. That $900 gets deposited into another bank. That bank keeps 10% and loans out the rest again. This process repeats over and over. From your original $1,000, the banking system can create up to $10,000 in new money. No printing, no gold, just numbers on a screen. Why banks love this system? Banks earn interest on money that didn't exist before. Meanwhile, you get pennies in savings interest. They earn massive profits lending your money. This is why banks push. Loans, credit cards, mortgages. Debt is how banks multiply money. Is this dangerous? Here's the scary part. If everyone tried to withdraw their money at once, the system would collapse. Because the money simply isn't there. This is why governments insure banks, regulate them, and step in during crises. The system survives on trust. What this means for you, this isn't to scare you, it's to educate you. Once you understand this, you stop blindly trusting banks. You learn to move money smarter. You focus on assets, not just savings. Wealthy people don't rely on banks to make them rich. They use the system while staying protected from it. Call to Action, CTA. If this opened your eyes, you need to be on this journey with us. Subscribe to Wealth Mindset Lab, follow for more money. Truths they don't teach in school, because understanding money is the first step to building wealth. Important insights to consider. As we wrap up, let's ponder some important questions together. Why do the wealthy invest in assets rather than keeping cash in the bank? Because they are aware of how the system works. They understand that to truly thrive financially, you must learn to leverage the very same system banks use to their advantage. It's about understanding the rules of the game and playing it wisely. Take control. You might wonder where to start. Begin by educating yourself. Financial literacy is your first tool. Read books, attend seminars, and engage in communities like ours. This isn't just about building wealth. It's about empowerment. By understanding money, you empower yourself to make informed choices, reduce financial stress, and create a legacy. Join the change. So join us on this adventure. Let's change perspectives about banking, wealth, and what financial freedom truly means. Together, we can redefine success in a system designed to work against individual prosperity. Thank you for your time and curiosity. We're excited to have you on board at Wealth Mindset Lab. Let's take these insights and turn them into real-world impact.